Hello, friends, and welcome back to my channel, The Net Part, your one stop destination for UGC Net JRF English Literature preparation. Today, we are doing World Literature Series Part 2, that is French Literature. As you know, in Part 1, we have begun a very special journey, a complete World Literature series where we will explore the most influential writers from every country of the world, understand their major works, themes, awards, and literary significance, and see how each of them shaped the course of world literature. In this series, we will cover every important author that you need to know for UGC NET JRF set and other literary exams. Each episode will focus on one country, giving you a complete ready made overview, perfect for quick revision and in depth understanding. So make sure you subscribe, like, and share this video with your friends preparing for literature exams. Let's begin our world literature journey with the next country, France. First author is Francois Rabelais. 1494 to 1553. His major works are Gargantua and Pantagruel. Summary is comic and satirical adventure of two giants exploring education, religion, and humanism. Significance is Renaissance humanist, celebrated reason, laughter, and free thoughts. Now we move to second author, Michel de Montaigne from 1533 to 1592. His major work is Essays, Summary, Personal Reflection on Morality, Human Nature, and Skepticism. You must know about what is skepticism. Significance is founder of the modern essay form, early modern thinker bridging medieval and Enlightenment ideas. Now we move to author 3, Molière, from 1622 to 1673. His major works are Tartuffe, The Misanthrope, and The Imaginary Invalid. Summary, satirical comedies mocking hypocrisy and social pretensions. Significance, France's greatest dramatist redefined comedy as moral criticism. Our next author is John Racine from 1639 to 1699. His major works are Phaedra and Rumek. Summary, these are tragic plays based on Greek myths exploring human passion and fate. Significance, master of classical French tragedy and poetic intensity. Next, we move to Voltaire from 1694 to 1778. His major works are Candide, Letters on England. Summary, it is a satirical critique of optimism, superstition, and tyranny. Significance is center Enlightenment figure, champion freedom of thoughts and reason. Now, our sixth author is Jean Jacques Rousseau from 1712 to 1778. His major works are The Social Contract and Emile. Summary, advocated natural goodness, democracy, and educational reforms. Significance, influenced modern political, philosophical, and romanticism. Our next author is Denis Diderot from 1713 to 1784. His major works are Encyclopedia, Jacques the Fatalist. Summary is promoted rationalism and knowledge as a tool for social progress. Significance, leader of the French Enlightenment, helped compile the encyclopedia. Our next author is Henri de Balzac from 1799 to 1850. His major works are La Comédie Humaine, that is, the human comedy, Summary, vast series portraying 19th century French society, Significance, founder of literary realism, influenced novelists like Dickens and Zola. Now we move to Victor Hugo. From 1802 to 1885, his major works are Les Miserables, The Hunchback of Notre Dame, and Summary, Stories of Justice, Redemption, and Social Inequality. Significance is symbol of Romanticism, humanist, and political visionary. Our next author is Alexander Dumas from 1802 to 1870. His major works are The Three Musketeers and The Count of Monte Cristo, summary adventure novels of heroism, loyalty, and revenge. Significance popularized the historical romance and adventure genre. Next author is Gustav Flaubert. From 1821 to 1880, major works are Madame Bovary, summary, the tragic story of Emma Bovary's disillusionment and provincial life, significance, master of realism, and stylistic perfection. Our next author is Charles Baudelaire. From 1821 to 1867, his major works are Les Fleurs du Mal, that is, The Flowers of Evil, summary, symbolist poetry blending beauty, sin, and decay, significance, father of modern poetry, and precursor to modernism. Our next author is Emile Zola from 1840 to 1902. His major works are Germinal, Nana, Thérèse Raquin. Summary, realistic and naturalistic depictions of industrial and social life. Significance is founder of naturalism, merged literature with social protest. Now we move to next author, that is Guy de Maupassant from 1850 to 1893. His major works are The Necklace and Bellamy. Summary, short stories exposing human greed and irony. Significance, pioneer of modern short fiction, realist observer of society. Her next author is Marcel Proust from 1871 to 1922. His major works are In Search of Lost Time, that is, à la recherche du temps perdu. Summary, 7 volume psychological novel on time and memory, significance, master of introspection and modernist narrative. Next one is Paul Verlaine from 1844 to 1896. Major works is Romances sans paroles, summary, lyrical and musical poetry reflecting melancholy and emotions. Significance, leading symbolist poet influenced modern French verse. Next author is Arthur Rimbaud from 1854 to 1891. His major works are A Season in Hell and Illuminations. Summary, visionary poems expressing rebellion and imagination, and significances, revolutionary influence on modern poetry and surrealism. Next, we move to author André Gide from 1869 to 1951, and he won Nobel Prize in 1947. His major works are The Immoralist and The Counterfeiters. Summary, it explores freedom, morality, and individual conscience, and significance is advocate of personal authenticity and modernist introspection. Next author is John Paul Sartre from 1905 to 1980. He won Nobel Prize in 1964, but he declined. His major works are Being and Nothingness, Nausea, and No Exist. Summary, existential philosophy and literature of freedom and absurdity. Significance is leader of existentialism and political engagement in literature. Next one is Albert Camus from 1930 to 1960. He won Nobel Prize in 1957. His major works are The Stranger, The Plague, and The Myth of Sisyphus. It is a must read. Summary, explores absurdity, morality, and revolt against meaninglessness, and significance is existential humanist voice defined absurd heroism. Now we move to the author Simone de Beauvoir from 1908 to 1986. Major works are The Second Sex, She Came to Stay, and summary, feminist existential philosophy on gender and freedom. Its significance is founding text of modern feminism. Antoine de Saint-Exupéry from 1900 to 1944. Major works are The Little Prince, summary poetic fable about love, innocence, and human values. Significance is it is universal allegory of childhood and morality. Now we move to Margaret Duras from 1940 to 1996. Major works are The Lover, Prix Goncourt, 1984. Summary it is autobiographical love story set in colonial Indochina. Significance feminine voice of post war modernism. Our next author is Jean Anol from 1910 to 1987. Full name is Jean Marie Lucien Perret Anol. His major works are Antigone. It is a tragedy inspired by the play as the same name by Sophocles Antigone. Summary modern reinterpretation of Greek tragedy during Nazi occupation. Significance symbol of moral resistance and modern tragedy. Our next author is Samuel Beckett from 1906 to 1989. He won Nobel Prize in 1969. He did not win Nobel Prize for a specific book but for his entire body of work. His major work is Waiting for Godot. Summary it is an absurdist play about waiting, emptiness, and human endurance. Significance redefined theatre, pioneer of the theatre of absurd. Our next author is Roland Barthes from 1950 to 1980. His major works are Mythologies and The Death of the Author. Summary essays on semiotics, culture, and textuality. Significances major post structuralist critic, changed modern literary theory. I highly recommend you to read his semiology theory. Now we move to next author, Jean Genet, from 1910 to 1986. His major works are The Balcony and The Blacks. Summary it explores identity, rebellion, and theatricality. Its significance is he's an icon of avant-garde and queer literature. Now we move to next author, Claude Simon from 1930 to 2005. He won Nobel Prize in 1985. His major work is The Flanders Road. Summary it experimental narrative on memory and war. Significance is a key figure of French Nouveau Roman movement. Next one is Margaret Yourcenar from 1903 to 1987. He was Academia Française member. His major works is Memoir of Hadrian, Summary, historical novel written as Roman Emperor's Reflections, and significance is its elegant fusion of history, philosophy, and art. Now we move to our last author. He is Patrick Modiano from 1945 to till date. He won Nobel Prize in 2014. His major works are Missing Person and Dora Bruder. Summary novels about memory, identity, and post war trauma. Significance voice of post war France and collective memories. So, friends, these are significant 30 writers from French literature. In this next video, we'll cover Russian literature or American literature with its most important writers. So, stay connected with my channel. Do subscribe, like, and share my channel. Thank you for watching.